We are still continue our health education on diabetes. Let's deal with the causes of diabetes. Firstly, the causes of type 1 diabetes primarily involve the immune system and genetic factors. Unlike type 2 diabetes, it is not related to lifestyle factors like obesity or diet. According to World Health Organization, in 2017 there were 9 million people with type 1 diabetes, the majority of them live in high-income countries. Neither its cause nor the means to prevent it are known. Here are the key causes and contributing factors. 1. Autoimmune reaction. The primary cause of type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune reaction where the immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas. This leads to a complete or near-complete lack of insulin production. 2. Genetic factors. A family history of type 1 diabetes increases the risk. Specific genes, particularly those related to the HLA, human leukocyte antigen, system, play a role in making someone more susceptible to the disease. 3. Environmental factors. Certain environmental triggers may initiate the autoimmune process in genetically predisposed individuals. These could include viral infections or toxins. 4. Viral infections. Some research suggests that viral infections, such as those caused by Coxsackie virus, enteroviruses, or rubella, may trigger the autoimmune destruction of beta cells. Before we continue, if you happily enjoy the video so far, hit subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. 5. Geographical location. People living in northern countries or far from the equator have a higher incidence of type 1 diabetes, suggesting environmental or climate-related factors might play a role. 6. Early life factors. Factors like early exposure to cow's milk, low levels of vitamin D, or certain infections during childhood may be linked to the development of type 1 diabetes. 7. Family history of other autoimmune diseases. Individuals with a family history of other autoimmune diseases. Example, thyroid disease, celiac disease, may have an increased risk of developing type 1 diabetes. 8. Low birth weight. Some studies suggest that individuals born with a low birth weight may have a higher risk of developing type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is typically diagnosed in children, teens, or young adults, though it can develop at any age. Despite ongoing research, the exact cause remains unclear, and currently, there is no known way to prevent type 1 diabetes. I will still urge you to subscribe to my channel for more health education like this, and thank you for watching. See you for our next episode.